Ask an AI to write you some code, and every so often it will tell you to install a package that does not exist. The name sounds right, the command looks completely normal, but there is nothing there. Today, why AI invents software libraries out of thin air, and why that turns into a real security problem. Here is the situation. You ask a coding assistant for help, and buried in the answer is a line like pip install fastjson-parser. It looks like any other library, but when you run it, the registry says no such package. The AI did not make a typo. It invented the whole thing. To see why, drop one assumption. When the model writes that install line, it is not looking anything up. It is not checking a list of real packages. There is no moment where it stops and asks, does this exist? It is doing the same thing it does with every other word, predicting what comes next. And it could not check even if it wanted to. While it is answering you, the model is not connected to the package registry at all. It is working from a frozen snapshot of what it saw in training, not a live list of what exists today. And a package name to the model is just more text to predict. It has seen thousands of real names, and they are built from the same handful of parts. Words like requests, client, async, utils, JSON, and little tails like -py or the number 2, familiar building blocks. So when it needs, say, a library to parse JSON quickly in Python, it doesn't go searching for one. It assembles a name that fits the pattern. Fast plus JSON plus parser, fastjson-parser. That name scores high because it looks exactly like a real library would, so the model writes it down, sounding completely sure.
And that is the trap. Sitting next to real libraries like Orjon, Ujon, and Pydantic, the invented one is impossible to tell apart. It follows every naming rule. To a system that only measures how likely a name looks, a convincing fake and a real package are the same thing. Fluency is not truth. But the registry does not care how good a name sounds. It only has what people actually published. So you run the install and it fails. No matching distribution found. The perfect-looking package was never real. Now here is what turns this from annoying into dangerous. It is not random. Ask the same question again tomorrow, and the model tends to invent the very same fake name because it is completing the same pattern the same way every time. The hallucination is predictable. And it's common. When researchers generated hundreds of thousands of code snippets, a real slice of the suggested packages simply did not exist, roughly 1 in 10 to 1 in 5, depending on the model. And a large chunk of those fake names showed up again and again. Put those two facts together and you get an attack. If I know which fake name your AI keeps inventing, I can go and register that exact name for real with malware inside it. Now the model suggests it, you copy the install command, and this time it works. You just ran my code. It even has a name, Slopsquatting. This is not a weird glitch. It's the same root cause as every hallucination. The model is built to produce the most plausible continuation, not the most true one. A convincing package name is exactly what most plausible looks like, even when there is nothing behind it. So what do you do? One rule. Never blind install what an AI hands you. Check that the package actually exists. Look at its download count, when it was published, whether it has a real repository behind it. Prefer well-known libraries, and let your tools resolve dependencies, not a paragraph of generated text. 3 things to remember. 1. The model predicts package names. It does not look them up. 2. A plausible name is not a real one, and the fakes repeat. 3. Verify before you install. Want to see this happen for yourself? There is an interactive version on Unrote.com, and the link is in the description.